Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Today we're going to show you another quick install. This is going to be for that two-door Bronco. Wish they did this for the four-door, but as you can see here, the two doors have this awesome painted insert there in the door. We call that the two-door door panel. Anyway, we had a Bronco that came in a few months back, and we did our 3-bar retro kit on it, and then mimicked that stripe into that door panel. Turned out awesome. We've had a few people ask for that, so we have added that to the site. To go one step further, in addition to those 3-bar and 5-bar kits that we're going to offer on those door panels, we're also going to do some other designs as well. These will be printed on clear, so it doesn't matter what color that panel is. In this case, red. Obviously, we're going to do a gloss laminate on top of a clear film with black ink. We're going to do this topography kit. We've got your American flag, mountains with forest, and a couple other Sasquatch kind of retro style sunset, one with tread. There's our on the rocks. So I'm going to do a quick video, let you guys see how easy this is to put on. Again, just like with all of our kits, the film we use, the vinyl we use, 3M air release. This is a wrap film. So this is going to go on super easy. We have already prepped this. I did confirm with Gian, thank you. I believe our mix is 20, 80, 30, 70, no more than 30% alcohol, but you really just want to get any contaminants off of that. So don't go heavy on the alcohol, but you do have a little bit of play. We're not doing any PPF or any tint here and stuff like that. So really just as long as you get that clean. Just don't use Windex. That's got ammonia in it. Most of it does now anyway. Anyway, once we get that clean, this really is just a peel and stick. You're going to get a small squeegee, which this is just like a cut off of this of plastic, and again, that's totally fine. This will be masked with a clear pre-mask on that, or a transfer paper, if you will, and essentially just peel that right off. We're going to set aside that backing, and make sure your hands are clean on this, because you are going to really just touch the tips of that backing of that adhesive. And just eyeball that right into the center of that panel, depending right hand or left hand. I'm going to tack that right side, tack, and again with that squeegee we can use that hard edge. And again, I'm going to give you guys a little small one, which would be a lot easier than this large squeegee I've got in my hand. But again, I just want to show you, as long as we're going kind of firm with that, once you peel, you can even use your finger on this, you do want to go back with that hard edge. And it's got just a slight roll right as this thing starts to bevel down. And once we get that down, we're going to take off that top layer and just kind of roll that. And there you go, you can see a little bit right there where that didn't seat all the way, but we're going to take off that top layer. That's that transfer paper that we're taking off. And again, roll that at 180 degrees. Don't want to pull away from that. And then again, you can go back with your finger and just roll that. Just make sure we get those edges tucked down. And that's it. It's that simple. So there's something really cool, just as a little accent piece for that. That's probably my favorite one. That'll go great with our topography kits as well. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, let us know. Any other ideas, we'd love to hear what you guys want to see.